Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a quick video, answering a question that you have left me, to see if in a vehicle when the turbocharger fails. To see if the engine fault light comes on the picture, look, I'm going to give you this example. A test with a vehicle, an Audi that failed the compressor tube, as you can see that's the engine fault light. It's going to turn off now. The vehicle is started. This vehicle is going without turbo. This good car we had to change the turbo actuator. As you can see the turns go up perfectly, but of course, testing this vehicle by driving the vehicle on the road, and we see how it is also noticeable that it lacks some strength, although the car reaches 140 or 150, but it lacks some power, as I say, because it lacks the turbo, and where it is most noticeable is on the climbs. That is where that loss of power is most noticeable, and as you can see it does not turn on. Now I'm going to speed it up a little more, and I'm going to go up to above 4000. Look. You see I have raised it and it rises perfectly. What happens is that it is that this vehicle is without a turbo. Why does the fault light not come on in vehicles when it has this problem? Let's see. What the engine fault light does is limit the speed of the engine. It also limits the power, so as not to endanger the engine, here for example, by not having a turbo, because the vehicle does not detect that there is a serious problem that affects the engine. Because the vehicle has less power, on the other hand, if there was a problem, for example, with the turbo, and that could create an overpressure, because the turbo solenoid valve does not work well and opens it at the wrong time and there is more time left, for example, the turbo at maximum revolutions, the engine could be at risk. Then, the engine failure warning would come on. When they would detect it between the flow meter and the map sensor, it would detect that there would be a problem that could damage the motorcycle, and then yes, okay, well, here you have this video. I hope it has been useful to you, and if so, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.